I just got my Berley Pro stuff in for the kayak. Right here is one of the sides. It'll take probably a little bit to put together, but yeah, there's one of the sides. This is the backing for it, and here's the other side. So it's like flip from the first one. Then there is the backing for it. And I also got the bucket organizer, as you can see right there. So these individual slides go in the bucket to separate and to organize. So we're about to go organize that one near the wall. So here we go. So that organizer I showed you goes in here, and this is my Berley Pro koozie, light, walkie-talkie for when me and the wife's out there, can't reach her by voice, and tethered some side lights. All right, so take the small piece, right where is it? I just threw everything in here. There it is, small piece. So we're supposed to take the small piece, put it in horizontal, and then the other pieces right here diagonally. So I think I'm gonna put it like that. It's a work in progress. All right, there we go. I guess we can adjust it so that looks a little too tight. So I want a little bigger dividers, a little bit bigger anyway. I guess you gotta kind of adjust it as you go, so yeah. And then this one, I assume they're the same size. No. Anyways, go same size as I did on the other side, the second hole, just to keep it somewhat even on each side. There you go. All right. So you got teeth on here and teeth on here to hang your lures, and then here's your divider for each compartment. So, all right, looks pretty good. So let's see. I'll put my light right there. Put my side lights that I have. If I can find them all. There we go. Right there. Cool. So it's actually kind of neat. A little bit more organized. That's what I like. All right. There's the bucket organizer. Now on to the side pros. All right, let's get those rolling. Okay, so to put this thing together, you got your back plate, and then you got your actual piece right here. So depending on which A or B that you have, as you can see, they're flipped on each side. You have to flip your back plate to line up with the holes on all four of the corners. So right there. So you gotta flip it that way, and then it comes with the little baggie for these screws and bolts right here. Just take it and stick them through all four of the holes. And bolt them together, and that's it. And then we'll get to the next piece when we put it on the side of the chair. Okay, so we got our bolts put in on each side. Now we're going to stick it on the side of the chair. Now there's cutouts right here. There's cutouts right here that going to go along right here where the screw is. So you just fit that cutout right where that screw is. It's a nice, neat spot right there. And then you put your zip ties on each of the holes to the chair. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I got it all zipped in. And see, that's where I said the cutout was right there. So you just fit that in right there and then zip tie it on the sides and it's good to go. I like it. Sweet. Okay, now we're on the other side. Same thing as the previous side. We're just going to set it in the rocker groove right here. See that, the C shape, and then zip strip it in. Kind of tricky with only two hands. If you have someone to help you, it's definitely preferred. So get it nice and tight and zip strip it down. Okay, so I somehow lost the other zip strip, so I found one in my garage. I'm going to just put on here for now, but yeah, you get the gist. And there, it's secured. And just cut your tag ends off and you're good to go. So there you got it. You got one on each side for all your accessories that you need to put on while you're fishing. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And see you guys next time. Bye.